We got a 2016 Ram 1500 Hemi 5.7 liter V8. Still got factory converters there and there. Then it crosses into a single, and then it goes 3-inch, and we continue that 3-inch into a 3-inch in, 3-inch out MAGNAFLOW MAGNAPACK, and a 2.5-inch to 2 1/4 Y pipe, single setup, something different for you guys, into 2 1/4 tailpipes. Then they got a resonator on them there and there. Then 4-inch tips right there and right there. And this is the muffler we took off right there. It's a single and dual out. We'll let you guys hear it in a second. Hope you guys like it. I think you'll really like the sound of it. It's gonna sound really nice, really smooth. 2017 Dodge Ram 1500. Nice, beautiful lime color, green. It's got stock converters there and there. And it goes into a Y pipe 3-inch. And he ordered the FLOWMASTer kit, just a muffler setup. Do a muffler swap for a FLOWMASTer right there. I'll give you guys the part number in a second. And then left the same tailpipes. And there's the old muffler right here. And the FLOWMASTer part number is 817633. It's the Outlaw Direct Fit from 2009 to 2019 FLOWMASTer Dodge Magnums. That's how they're installed. 2012 Dodge Ram 1500 5.7 liter Hemi. Beautiful truck. Still got factory converters there and there. Then it winds into a single, then 3-inch, and we continued that 3-inch into a 3-inch to 2 1/2 Y pipe. And then it's got 2 1/4 tailpipes all the way back. And this one stayed with the original resonators, one here, and then we put some massive 5-inch tips, angle cut, right there and right there. So we'll let you guys hear it in a second. Hope you guys like it. There it is. That's how you do a muffler delete on these. I think it'll sound really nice. It's going to be really nice and deep because of the 5-inch tips also. Let you guys hear it in a second. 2019 Dodge Ram 1500 Hemi. Still got stock factory converters there and there. Then it goes 3-inch all the way back. And we put a FLOWMASTer Super 10 on it right there. Beautiful muffler. The beast. And then it comes dual from the factory with 2-inch. And we left the resonators on. He doesn't want it too loud. It lives downtown. There's the muffler we cut off right there. There it is. That's what it looks like. It's Alarmy edition. We'll let you guys hear it in a second. Go ahead. Perfect. Sound decibels, go ahead. About 107. Go ahead and back it up. That sounds really nice. Those Hemis never disappoint. Sorry about that, guys. It's raining, so sound is not going to be that clear. Hasn't rained in 2 weeks here, so we're surprised. So if you guys want the muffler, the MAGNAPACK, or the Y pipe, you'll see the link in the description. And hit that like and subscribe, please. Let you guys hear it on the inside. This is the Outlaw series. That sounds phenomenal. I like it. Nice green lime color. This is at idle. Let you guys hear it on the inside. Go ahead. Yeah, that's better. That's a decibel. That's how many sound decibels it is. Again? It's about 110, 111 on the sound decibels. Not too bad. Sounds good. It looks damn good though. I like those tips. That's how they should come from the factory, 5-inch. Let you guys hear on the inside. Go ahead. Can do that in California. It's a 102. It'll pass California law. 102, that's not that bad at all. Nice deep. You want it louder? No. Let you guys hear it on the inside. Oh, Dram. He says he's gonna burn some wheels. Let's see. Do it going forward. That sounds really good. Yeah, that drum is good. Have a good one. $2012 Ram HEMI. the Honda. I think he's the only one dropped off. Yeah, the Honda.